I love that train. My number one star in town with his red back. Come on, Chessie, how's more lops? Chessie, the racing train. Chessie, my number one star. He's completing the lot, looking great. Watch out, Chessie, the red behind you. Come on, Chessie, the racing train. Chessie, my number one star. Chessie, the racing train.
Today was a perfect day for stunts.
So much
Chessie
fun!
and Nene
Yippee!
practicing driving backwards. As for Kansas, he was entertaining himself by driving across a bridge.
Oh, I'm so bored.
I'm super fast!
Oh, wow.
Wonder why he's just sitting there. What the heck is wrong with that little bunny rabbit? What's going on, Kansas?
Well, Chessie, I'm sad because I'm not a racer.
What do you mean?
I can't drift like Burlington or go fast like Union.
Anna, maybe I could take you to see Nene's stunt on that box too. You'll see. B comes off. Hey, mate.
Hi, Dex. How do you drive backwards?
Like this. Watch me. Now you try, Nene.
Okay. Wow, this is fun!
You're welcome. Bye, Chessie. Good seeing you, lad. Yeah, it's real gox. Bye, Nene.
See ya!
Backwards driving is coming soon. But please, I want to warm you guys up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, ha, ha. Birdman track is there. Ha, ha. Come on, ladies. Love me. Sometimes I get this feeling. My motors don't sound right. I only have to listen if something isn't right. I know the answers and I know just what to do. Just come to me and I will make it right for you. say, mechanical, magnifico. Say, mechanical, magnifico. Say, mechanical, magnifico. Say, mechanical, fantastico. Mechanical, fantastico.
You got those, Nene?
Just now what we taught you.
Thanks, you two.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. That was brilliant. That was a banger trick. I'm so happy for you, Nene. Practice makes perfect.
Chessie, the racing fan.